name's Devin Bernard, and one of my other projects I started up recently after what we could do thing with CyberBadges. Basically, what CyberBadges is pretty much like Xbox Live, but for the internet, which I find pretty cool. I like Xbox Live. Basically, it's a platform where you do normal browser surfing, whatever, and you get badges and points for pretty much whatever you do. Whether it's a bunch of Twitter followers, you read a lot of Wikipedia, watch a lot of YouTube, whatever you do, there's pretty much an achievement for it. And also, pretty much is pretty cool because you can have your own collection, or you can compete with others to say, hey, I got the most, cred on the internet or whatever. So why use it? You get to discover new websites. There are a huge amount of awesome websites on the internet that are bound to be discovered. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Free Rice or any of the other cool things out there. I think it's awesome, and it's a new way to discover those types of projects. Say, hey, here's a new website, get an achievement for it too, that's fun. Solve fun puzzles. I have a whole bunch of secret mysteries. It's kind of like finding Easter eggs on the internet. It's pretty much like that, so that's always cool. Came to the way to prove, you got the most street credit, whether it's, you got 10,000 Twitter followers or 20,000 SO rep, whatever it is, just prove that you're cool, and remember your accomplishments. It's pretty cool to have one, window or one section where you can go and, really remember, hey, these are all, the significant parts where I contributed to the internet. And I found that pretty cool to have all that handy in one spot. So basically, for this, I have two main applications. I have my Chrome extension, which basically just runs JavaScript and basically HTML, CSS display. I run AJAX calls to my backend server. Then I got my website running PHP, SQL, and basic front-end stuff as well. So what I've got so far is I've got the complete website done. I've allowed pretty much a track any page you go to. Say, hey, they're reading a bunch of Wikipedia, give achievements for reading Wikipedia. Page scraping, let's say you're logged into SO, so it can figure out what your level is, that stuff. So far I currently have 40 working achievements. I got plans for a lot of other ones, but my main problem is just the Photoshop that's taking time. And also I currently have a working extension uploaded into the Chrome store that people can get. So demo, let's go to the website real quick. Okay, so this is the website here that's displaying fine. Okay, over here is just, some random badges that I picked just on the front page. So basically, I already have this installed, so let me just open this up. I'll sign in. It connects to your Facebook account. That's a way that I use to verify users. For some reason, Google Chrome, they suggest that you use, your Google account, but I find, I don't, why am I going to verify people with Google? No, I'm just going to use Facebook. So basically, this is a running tab of my closest achievements. If you notice, this is 101 out of 100. That's because I deleted it because I want to actually show you unlocking an achievement. So I cheated that in my database. Either way, but it's just a chronicle editor saying, hey, here's your badges coming up, what you can unlock, all that kind of cool stuff. Also, if you want, let's say if I refresh this page and I go to all badges, this is just a display saying, hey, here's how far you got on all these different achievements, etc. Right? So there's that display. So let's say we're going to Wikipedia, and I've already cheated it. I've already unlocked this, but I check out Fano Creek, whatever this is, right? So just read around this, and hopefully, if I cheated my database correctly, an achievement should pop up in a few seconds. I don't know if it's going to. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you read 100 Wikipedia articles. Cool, that's great. Congratulations for that, and you get 100 points for that. Awesome. So that's a basic implementation of this. It seems pretty straightforward. So far, I have a leaderboard with only 3 users. Here, 4! Yay! Already getting people. Awesome. Anyways, okay. So that's the basic front end of that. Let me just continue this. Okay, so now they've got the demo through. What is next? Basically, I plan on marking this around campus and showing it to some other audiences like high school friends, some people I know on the internet, all that kind of stuff, to see who's interested in this. Also, I'm going to be hosting a contest, most likely for a $250 Amazon gift card. Basically, yeah. So, I'm thinking about saying maybe either at the end of the year or when the next semester starts, that's when I'll end it and give out the prize or whatever. Maybe second and third place. That's just the general rough line of what I was thinking about doing. So there's that, and then hopefully if I get some users, that'd be nice. I'm going to evaluate feedback and hopefully expand to other browsers. So I was thinking it's a cool thing to be doing. which I'd like to implement is currently this only works for Chrome. Sorry for all you Firefox people out there and Internet Explorer, I don't know about it, whatever. I plan on expanding to those as well if it catches on. So you can kind of do browser wars, let's say, Team Chrome versus Team Firefox, all that. I think that'd be pretty fun. And potentially looking to add other people on. Say if you're a very sociable person, you can help with outreach, or you're just good with Photoshop, so I don't have to Photoshop so much and I can just code. Anyways, thank you to Professor Coachman, Dorothy, John Sutherland, all RCOS. Any questions?
You're not going to sell all our website history to...
No.
Okay.
Now, seriously, a lot of people say, oh, you can see other people's data. I'm technically just tracking like Google, Wikipedia, a few of the main ones. I'm not actually storing, here's every page you visited, even though it's optional log in, log out whenever you want to get stuff. Like if you say, oh, I'm browsing some weird stuff, log out. Or go into, what's it? Incognito mode and then we'll track your stuff. Yeah.
Are you going to handle people cheating?
Yeah,
my first thought.
I already do that. Oops.
Random Wikipedia over and over.
Yeah, no, I know some people think, oh, refresh the page. I have a system that tracks timestamps for every single time you unlock achievement, and if you have a certain, delta saying, oh, hey, they unlocked 1,000 Wikipedia articles and 10,000 Wikipedia articles within a day, I'm like, come on, cheat.
Yeah, I just tried, it didn't work.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's that verification system. There's some other ways I think you can maybe get around stuff, but if you find it, show me so I can stop people from cheating.
Do we get more points?
Yeah, but if you cheat, you're banned from the contest. I'm not giving out stuff for cheaters. What's up?
Do you send every URL to your servers and check if it's a valid one, one that you're tracking, or do you do that client side?
I'm trying to change the system. I'm just kidding. No, basically what I do is I actually get the HTTP request that you're requesting, and then I do all my page scraping and send that data from there on from my extension onto my website server.
Okay.
I do that.
You want to do some sort of client side check, because if you're gonna get to one with.
I check on both sides.
Right. Before sending, if it's website that's not important to you,
Yeah, then technically I just have a general counter that says hey, just send a thing saying they visited a page. I don't care what page it is, but just increment their total views by 1.
Do you encrypt it in any way? Because otherwise, what stops me from just sending fake data to your endpoint? So I could essentially mimic the extension and just send fake data.
Basically, you track a source saying I'm only accepting stuff from my extension.
Yeah, but can I just fake the request and
Oh, you mean I said earlier, refresh a Wikipedia page 5,000 times or whatever?
No, not fake a page request. I just figure out what the extension is sending to your server, and I just send that HTTP request myself. What's to stop me from just faking sending stuff to you?
All these are in back-end JavaScript. Basically, if you don't know how Chrome extension works, they have the CRX file, and basically I have this. You can see my front-end JavaScript and some of the front end saying, here's how I'm displaying this data and processing it. But as far as all the tracking purposes, that's all in a back-end JavaScript file that you can't.
But I can just sniff the HTTP request.
Okay. Cheat. Let me know so I can block it.
Now, specifically, what kind of work your projects when you get those information?
This is an open source. This is the thing I started up last week. Yeah. No, I'm sharing that. Yeah. No, cheat. This is good. Yeah, but no, I'm not gonna let people know they're cheating. Anyway, so any other questions? Okay, well, if you're interested in this project, potentially helping out, whether it's coding or whatever, just marketing, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks. Great day, guys.